Understanding Exemplar of Success, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an inspiring phrase that often pops up in conversations about achievement and role models. Exemplar of Success. We'll break down what it means, how to use it, and why it's important for learners like you to add this to your vocabulary arsenal. So, let's get started and explore how this phrase can motivate us in our personal and professional lives. Exemplar of Success combines two powerful words, exemplar and success. An exemplar is a person, thing, or action that serves as a model or pattern worth emulating. Success, as most of you know, refers to the achievement of goals, whether they're in personal development, career milestones, or creative endeavors. Put together, an exemplar of success is someone or something that embodies the pinnacle of achievement. This person or entity doesn't just succeed, they set the standard for how success looks. They inspire others through their achievements and the qualities that led them there, like hard work, perseverance, and innovation. Understanding phrases like exemplar of success is crucial for several reasons. 1. Enhanced vocabulary. It helps you expand your English vocabulary, allowing you to express complex ideas succinctly. 2. Improved communication skills. Knowing how to use these phrases makes your communication more nuanced and persuasive, especially in professional settings. 3. Cultural insights. Such phrases often reflect cultural values, like the importance of hard work and success, which is essential for learners aiming to understand English-speaking cultures better. 4. Inspirational language. Learning about exemplars of success can motivate us to pursue our own goals with renewed vigor and determination. To help you incorporate this phrase into your vocabulary, here are a few examples. Marie Curie is an exemplar of success in the field of science, having won 2 Nobel Prizes for her groundbreaking work. This innovative startup has become an exemplar of success in the tech industry, revolutionizing how we think about digital communication. To many aspiring writers, J.K. Rowling stands as an exemplar of success, demonstrating the power of imagination and persistence. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, applicable to individuals, organizations, or even specific achievements. Thank you for joining me today to explore the meaning and significance of the phrase, exemplar of success. I hope this video not only enriches your English vocabulary but also inspires you to identify and follow your own exemplars of success. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about connecting with inspiring ideas that motivate us to achieve our best. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.